Well, if you've ever had another driver hit your car, you know that that driver's insurance company will usually pay for your repairs. But that accident lowers the value of your car. Local 12 troubleshooter Howard Ain says there's now something you can do to recover that loss.
This is something that's occurred in the last 5 or 6 years with the advent of internet databases. They keep track of vehicle repairs, and those repairs can cause you big financial loss.
If you have a new car and you go to sell it, you're going to get one price. If they find that it's been involved in an accident, there's a good chance you're going to get less.
The Greater Cincinnati Insurance Board's Ron Eveleigh says diminished value can amount to a lot of money.
Diminished value generally can run anywhere from 10 to 20%, depending upon the make of the car, the quality of the restoration, the parts used in the restoration.
Elizabeth Moline says the value of her car dropped significantly, even after the other driver's insurance paid for her repairs, which she says were substandard.
I took it back. They could no longer do anything. They said that the car was fine. The insurance company was happy with what they did.
It gets to be a significant impact on the value of the car. I've had clients that have told me at times that they didn't even want the car because of the amount of damage.
Steve WURTZ's Blue Ash Auto Body is repairing this Tesla. It's costing more than $18,000 to repair, yet it will still lose at least $9,000 in value. When it comes to diminished value, WURTZ says you should only consider looking into it if your car is less than 5 or 6 years old.
If it's a significant amount of money, the insurance companies are going to balk at it. You may have to get an attorney involved.
Although some insurance companies try to minimize it, diminished value is a real thing. In fact, most car rental companies require you to pay diminished value if the vehicle you rent is involved in a crash. In Ohio, you have up to 2 years after a crash to file a diminished value claim. In Kentucky, you have 5 years, and Indiana, you have 6 years. The other driver must be at fault. If that driver has no insurance, your uninsured motorist coverage will pay for diminished value in Ohio and Indiana, but not in Kentucky. Howard Ain, Local 12 Troubleshooter.
And Howard says to file a diminished value claim, you need to first get an estimate of how much value your car will lose because of the crash. And there are websites which can help you do that for free.